Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to introduce the Marcom tab and its comprehensive feature. As you can see, we have social media management right here. First, we have a planner. It will show up all the account you already linked to. As you can see here, we link to one LinkedIn account and two YouTube channel. You can add unlimited account you have right here by click on the new account. As you can see, the software already integrate with Facebook, Instagram, GBP, and so on. You also can connect to community by select the groups you have. Next, as you can see, we have the timeline right here. You can narrow down the post by the time. You also can do that by the filter to focus on the specific post you want to see. If you want to change the dashboard look, you can change it from the list to calendar view right here. And below that, the dashboard in here will show up all the posts you already made in the planner. You will see the caption, the media, the statute, the type, the date, the social platform for each post. If you want to see more detail, you can just click on the name and then you will see the stats for this post. How much like, how much share, what is the comment, also the demo vision when you send out, and the statute of this post. Next, let's move on to the content. In here, the first section we have is a CSV file. In here, you can find all your CSV post in this section. You actually can make a new post with the CSV file you already have. In here, you can just click on it and see the system will step by step take you to the direction. You can just upload the file with the sample. You can do CSV or XLSX, and you can click on to upload or drag and drop. And then you will go to the select socials and review content. Then will take you to that one. Next, we have recurring content. In here, you can find all your recurring posts in this section and have the review, SRR, template library, approval, category queue, and so on. Next, we have the statistics. You will see all the stats for each post with different platform. You can see we have all of Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn if you have different account linked to the software. You also can do this kind of narrow down by the select. You can select the one you want or several different accounts you want to look up in the same time. In here, as you can see, we choose two of our YouTube account to see the stats. We will see the number of posts, total likes, total followers, total impressions, total comments, and you will see the specific breakdown right here. You will see the graph to see the trade. You will see the number of posts, the engagement, the impressions, the post reach, and so on. All those things will help you understand your audience and see the trade of the data you got, help you to make the marketing part become better. As you can see, we also have the gender demography. You will see the gender who usually watch your YouTube, watch your channel, and you will see it's based on the age also. Next, in this tab, you can create a brand new post from the scratch or from the CSV as I told you before. You also can do that with the social planner platform or content AI, RSS post or post reviews, category queues, all those different way. We will just begin with the scratch. As you can see, you can select the social platform you want to post to, and you can type the content right here. If you don't have any clue or the thing you want to do, you can just put the prompt and then do the AI. You will see the post preview right here if you added any content in here. Next, let's move on to the email. The first one, we have the email marketing. In here, you will see the campaigns. You can create and manage campaigns for all your emails. You will see the email content campaigns, also the workflow campaigns. You will see their title, type, last update, execution date, and the statute for each email campaigns. And you will see it's based on the time or do the list format. You also can search the campaign name right here by the search bar or narrow down the campaign by the filter, or you can just create a new campaign right here. You can do that from scratch, from the blank, or you can do that with the template, or you can do it with the template you saved. Next, we have the template right here. As you can see, we have an email template section. You can create and manage template for all your emails. You will see the title, the type, update on when, and also update by who. For each template you are saved already. In here, if you want to see more detail, you can just click on name to enter this detailed page for this specific template. You can do the editor by drag and drop the elements, and you can do the change right here. Next, we also have the stats for the email. You will see the stats based on the time you want to focus on, and you will see the conversion summary, the engagement summary, the performance analyze, all the thing for the email section. Also, the most recent email, the top performing email to help you understand what your audience, your customer, or your like the B2B sites want to see. Next, we have the template section. In here, you will see all the snippets right here. You will see their name, their body, their folder, their type. You also can search them by the name or do the filter to the snippets. Next, we also have the folder. It's same to the snippets one. You also can just add a snippet or add a folder right here from the category, from the text, or from the email. We can try it with the text. In here, as you can see, you can just put on the name like thanks for shopping with us. And you can editor the body, you can add files through URL, test snippets, and you will see the preview of your text snippets. It's help you to keep your information be sent out is pretty the same, so everyone get the same information with the same frequency. Next, we have the TikTok. In here, you can create your first countdown timer. Time's not tricky yet. Let's set your first countdown timer. It's help you to, create a countdown timer to remind you the time. You can do it by select them and continue with this template. Next, we have the link. In the link section, you can create the trigger link, which allows you to put link inside SMS messages and emails. Also allows you to check specific customer actions and trigger events based on when the link is clicked. You will see the name, the link URL, the link key, the action for the link you already created. You also can add a new link right here by save the name, also the link URL for them. Next, we have Affiliate Manager. In here, the first tab we have is the dashboard. You will get an overview of your campaign revenue and affiliate commissions. You will see the total revenue generate, the conversion, the total customer, all those detailed data, and help you understand the affiliate data and how it's going on right now. You will see the owned, the paid, also the latest commissions, latest affiliate. It will help you understand how much you cost for the marketing, for the for the virals to of your product you want to share to, and also like how much you get from the affiliate. We will have the section for the campaigns right here for the affiliate, also the affiliate right here. You will see the affiliate name, the statutes, the campaign, and so on. We also have a payout section here. You basically can see how much you pay out for the affiliate, also the media and the setting. Next, move on to the brand board. You can create a design kit for the post. You can do that from scratch or do that from the template the system offers you. You can see the brand voice right here. You can add a new brand voice by click on it and say you want to start from scratch or text or URL. We also have Ad Manager if you want. Also the AI content history. You will see the total words be generated by AI, the cost for the AI, also the words per day for the AI. And you will see all the history the AI generated for you. It's help you to use or keep for future reference. You can see that from all the social planner, blogs, funnel, website, email, different category. It's help you to easier do the marketing and all those stuffs. So this is basically all for the Marcom. Thank you for watching the whole video and stay with me for a while. See you on the next video and thanks for watching today. Bye.